Hello everybody. So in today's video I'd like to draw you all the Sydney Opera House. First gonna start out with a line at the bottom over here. Gonna draw another line on top of that. And I'm just gonna connect these edges. Next I'm gonna draw is another rectangle over here. And then another line for a triangle at this end. I'm going to draw another line over here. And then just draw another line from here. And stop over there. Just going to continue this line now. And then just bring it down and end it over here. So now we got the base of the building. The next thing I'm going to do is the iconic things that look like shark fins. So this is just a bunch of curved lines. Let's start out with the one over here. Draw another one over here. And then another curved line over here. The inside of these windows have some lines, so I'm just gonna draw that at the very end. Just gonna keep drawing some curves now, or arcs. And basically all it is just these curved lines that make up the structure. I think the first time I ever seen this was in a Hindi movie called Dil Chahta Hai, and it was kind of unique to look at the building for the first time because you're so used to seeing rectangular shaped objects for buildings. I've got some other ones that I want to draw for you guys, and this is just going to be the start of this one. That is not a curve. Let's try that again. I think what's cool about this structure is how they probably built it just like the pyramids in Egypt. Erase those lines. I don't know what these last curves are at the very end. If that might be some sort of an entrance or an exit. If anybody watching this and following along has actually been to this place, comment below and let me know what it was like. Must be beautiful in the nighttime when they have the lights on. Oh yeah, I forgot to draw the lines that I said I was going to draw. Just gonna draw straight lines and then just erase the extra. And there we have it, people, our Sydney Opera House. For the next part of this video, I'm just going to do a time lapse and color this in. Thanks for following along, and oh yeah, before I say see you in the next video, comment below in this video or any of the other ones onto what you guys think of the video so far, and if there's anything else that you would like me to draw. I have a list of things that I have made that I want to draw, but if there is something that you'll want me to draw specifically, I mean, just comment below, and the one that gets the most comments or the most repeated comment, I'll choose that and draw that. So with that being said, see you in the next video, and bye for now.